Good morning, students. Today we are going to see 10th standard English subject. We'll discuss first the pattern of the question paper. So first the 14 questions, one mark. First 3 synonyms and next 3 antonyms, and then the following 7th and 8th singular plural prefix affixes, and then the 9th one abbreviation, and the next phrasal verb, compound word, preposition, and then tenses, and then polite alternatives, which means the linker. We can find the linkers from simple, complex, compound sentences. And then 15 to 18 question and answer from the prose part. And then for that they'll allot you for 2 marks. They'll ask 4 questions. From that you have to write 3 questions, 6 marks. So after that poem appreciation questions. For that they'll allot for again 6 marks. So they'll give one choice for that poem appreciation. And then 23 to 27 transformation of sentences, like active voice, passive voice, direct and indirect speech, and then punctuation, and simple, complex, compound sentences, and rearrange the jumbled words and arrange into a meaningful sentence. And then 28th one, roadmap. So they'll give one picture. For that you are going to guide a particular man or woman to reach their destination, and then describing something. So that's what to answer the following in 10 lines. It deals about again the paragraph questions. After that paragraph questions, you are going to write the poem appreciation again. So for that question they'll asking only for the general way of questions. After that paraphrase. After paraphrasing some of the questions, you are going to arrange the following sentences into coherent order. These are all questions you can find in supplementary topics. In supplementary topics you are going to rearrange the sentence, and then they'll ask for prose or like that one passage, and also they'll ask 5 questions from that passage, and that what prose comprehension. And then prepare an advertisement. I'll teach you one by one topics in the next classes, but for advertisement they'll allotting for 5 marks, and they'll write a letter to the manager, not only for manager and also the bona fide certificate, like that formal and informal letter, and that questions also allotted for 5 marks. And then look at the picture and express your view in 5 sentences. It's also 5 marks. And note making, summarizing. If you can't hear that kind of questions, I'll explain you in the day by day classes. And then identify and correct the errors part, and quote from the memory poem also we are going to see for your 10th standard. And then developing the hints, and they'll give one hints, and for that help of the hints you have to make a paragraph. And then finally again poem comprehension. They'll give one poem, and also you are going to answer for that kind of 5 questions. So these are 100 marks for your question pattern. So one by one we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.